Hello everyone. As promised, we are starting our journey towards perfect English from today onwards. Initially, these videos may be a bit boring to those who have a particular level of English. But I would like to start from the very beginning, the basic things, because I want these videos to be useful even to those who do not know the ABC of English. Let us start with sentence formation first. In order to speak or write a particular language, we need sentences or, on many occasions, one or two words. We can make a simple sentence by making use of a noun, a naming word, and a verb, an action word. For example, in the sentence, Sachin batted. Sachin is the naming noun and batted is the action verb. Sachin is the subject and batted is the verb. Therefore, a sentence is equal to subject plus verb. There can be a small doubt as to whether we can form a sentence by using only one word. For example, sits, stand, go, run, fire, etc. These are all action verbs, but the subject is understood there. For example, you sit, you stand, you run, you go, you fire, etc. Sentences can be either independent or dependent. An independent clause can stand alone as a sentence. It contains a subject and a verb and is a complete idea. For example, he likes biryani. I love books. A dependent clause is not a complete sentence. It has to be attached to an independent clause to make it complete. For example, although he likes biryani, dash dash dash, because I love books, dash dash dash. Let us define the subject properly now. A subject is a person, place, animal, thing, or concept that does an action. A subject can be found out by asking the question who or what. For example, he likes biryani. Who likes biryani? He is the subject. Another example, I love books. Who loves books? I love books. I is the subject. A verb expresses what a person, place, animal, thing, or concept does. A verb can be found out by asking the question the subject does, did, or will do what. For example, they play football. What do they do? They play. Play is the verb. We love cycling. What do we do? We love cycling. Love is the verb. An object is a person, place, animal, thing, or concept that receives the action. We can find out an object in a sentence by asking the question subject, did, what, or for whom. For example, he constructed a house. He constructed what? A house is the object. Another example, she plays badminton. She plays what? Badminton. That is the object. In addition to subject, verb, and object, a sentence may contain a few other parts of speech also. So, it has become necessary to discuss about prepositions and prepositional phrases now. A prepositional phrase is a phrase that begins with a preposition. There are many prepositions in the English language like in, on, at, for, before, over, etc. A preposition modifies a word in a sentence. A prepositional phrase answers the question where, when, in what way, etc. For example, he eats chapati for dinner. For dinner is the prepositional phrase. Another example, I love books in simple English. In simple English is the prepositional phrase. As we plan to go step by step and too much of anything is bad, I think this is enough for today. I hope the video was useful to you. Till we meet next time, all the best to all of you. Bye. See you soon.